Hey guys, it's Brett from WindowWiz, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to repair your casement window operator. The operator we're going to be replacing today is the Amesbury Truth Maxim Dyad. However, this has been discontinued, so we're going to be replacing it with the Encore series instead. Before we get into the repair, you're going to want to make sure you have the proper tools and supplies. You're going to want to make sure you have a multi-tip screwdriver, your window operator, cover and handle, the Encore gasket, and lastly, you're going to want to make sure you have an all-purpose dry lubricant. Now that we have everything, we're good to go. Let's get right into the repair.
All right, first things first, we're going to want to get the window open and set at a 90-degree angle from the frame. Once the window's been opened, you're going to want to remove the link arm of the operator from the stud bracket. This can be done with a flathead screwdriver or a red pry bar, inserting it between the link arm and the stud bracket and applying some downward force. Next, you're going to want to remove the fasteners that are holding down your crank, and it's a good time to check the integrity of the screws, looking for any rust to see if they need to be replaced with a stainless steel variety. Once the fasteners have been removed, you can slide the operator out and remove the existing gasket. If you don't have a gasket, that's completely okay. Just make sure to get the frame cleaned up and ready for the new one. It's important to note that the new gaskets are incredibly sticky, so you're going to want to get it lined up perfectly before attaching it to the frame, because if you need to make any adjustments, you're most likely going to end up ripping it. It's also a good thing to note that most window hardware companies don't supply the fasteners with their cranks or hinges or anything for that matter. It is an add-on item, so you're going to want to check that out before ordering your crank to see if you need to buy any fasteners. Once the gasket's been applied, you can slide the operator back through the hole and snug it up against your frame, and then remount with your fasteners. Once the fasteners are done, you can use your operator handle to adjust the link arm so it lines up with the stud bracket. Then you're going to want to grab your flathead screwdriver, or any tool for that matter, slide that underneath the link arm and apply some leverage to snap that back onto the stud bracket. Next, you want to take your lubricant and spray that on your hinges and any moving part of the window, close it up, and lock it. Now you can snap on your operator case and get your handle. Make sure that it lines up and can fold into the nesting spot. Open it back up and tighten the fixed screw that holds the handle to the crank.
And now we're done. If you have any questions about the repair that we just did, or any suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. And all of the supplies and tools used for this can be found in the description below. Thanks so much and have a good one.